Welcome to my channel. Here I share simple videos about my family's daily routine to help you learn easy English. Enjoy and learn with us. My mom is a nurse and my dad works in an office. He is an IT programmer and he makes computer programs for buildings. My sister Hala and I go to school by bus. We leave home at 7:30. My grandma and grandpa live very close to our house, so my grandma takes our little brother to school. My dad drives to work, and he takes our mom to the hospital first. They leave home at 6:45 because it takes more than an hour to get to the hospital and then to the office. My dad works 5 days a week, but my mom works only 3 days a week. When she is not working at the hospital, she stays at home as a housewife. She has 2 jobs. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, give the video a like, share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching.